These are the best ways in which you can follow to download CapCut for your Windows PC. Kindly subscribe if you find it helpful. Step 1. Visit the CapCut Desktop Video Editor official website. Step 2. Click the Download for Windows button. Step 3. Allow the CapCut for PC download to finish. The file you receive should be named CapCut_setup.x with a size of approximately 200 megabytes. Step 4. Find the downloaded file on your device and double-click it to initiate the installer. Step 5. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the installation process. This may involve agreeing to terms and conditions, choosing a destination folder, and creating a desktop shortcut. Step 6. Launch CapCut from your desktop or the Start menu once the installation is complete. You might be required to log in using your Google, TikTok, or Facebook account to access the app.